even. This is the 50 two brothers.
Change of location. Like Zimbabwe, I don't want to tourist take it. Zimbabwe.
But the receipt, but the receipt.
But the
Hey, Bavo. Change it down. When Esmaesh Zanzu or Rockets? Sawa. No Rockets, no Ramo. Umpulesa katala musu so kirin. Umpulesa katala. Umpulesa katala musu. So what's wrong? iPhone. Yebo. Yawe ka yakhan. Nyabo phone. Bayibethile manje dawa yawo. Abakasifuna. Bona le iPhone la tsini nkamahari. Abakasifuna abapatala iPhone ethu. Akasifuna. Ndaba ya shota lichelete yabona kamo. Shota 10 rand.
No.
Okay.
That man when I used to buy MacBook, second hand. When we come back there to pay, when they open, they will be.
Oh, man.
What's proof?
That's what I told him.
Later.
Never buy MacBook.
Yeah.
Why Bula Moon in front of us?
Yeah. It's proof.
Why Bula?
Oh, like, what they see.
When I see they're scraping the party.
If you must buy it, boy. What?
We get well.
The Zanzu way, boy.
Yeah, keep it heading on.
Let's do the drip check. I need a drip check.
Yeah, you want that?
Need a drip check. How much is the outfit? Forex edition. Forex edition, baby. Fogalimete, the guy, what are you saying now? Mr. Budget Forex.
I just want to feel like drinking Ace of Spain.
Hey, Joe, this is my bad.
I'm working hard for my mom.
Drip check. How much is your outfit? What's your word now?
Close to 100.
I want the other.
Close to 100.
Hey, Joe, which one is the room?
Two, 1 or 3. One filler room to get about 1 or 1. 1 or 2. Hey, what filler here 1 or 2?
Okay, which one?
There is a blue energy for you to move.
That is not charging.
What?
It's that time.
Now you do it.
Yeah.
There's no other one. There's another one. It's more
Dango, they balance now.
There, I went there. There's one thing.
On my room.
On my room. Yeah.
Silky smooth, man. I'm a roll on. Silky smooth, guy, man.
I won't get the cut.
What the cut I can?
No. Massive,
Too much. No, I'm thinking you go to salon every day. Every day. Fam, what's up, man? Welcome back to the channel. You know, it's your boy Vussy Mags in the building. I know this video was supposed to be a drip, a forex drip check, slash how much is your outfit. I clickbaited you niggas, you feel me? But the following video that I'm gonna drop is gonna be the full drip or drip check or whatever you wanna call it. Understand? So for now, I'll give you a little teaser of what's coming next. But I feel like we haven't analyzed the market in a while, right? So we're gonna just spend the rest of this vlog going through some charts and analyzing and seeing what we can dissect from these markets. Sorry again for clickbaiting you niggas, but you know you're gonna get the drip check in the next coming video. Let's go. Alright, man, so before we even proceed with today's analysis video, if you're not part of the free public telegram that I'm sharing with you right now, link is in the bio, you understand? If you're not part of this one, you are missing out. And if you're missing out like that, and you're okay with missing out, then that's up to you, my G, you feel me? For everybody that's gonna go to the public telegram, which I'm sharing with you now, if you're gonna go visit it now for the first time, I'm gonna extend this. This is supposed to be closed, right? But we're still gonna give you this if you wanna trade with us and stuff. Forex signal, lifetime signals, and mentorship. Once-off payment, 900 rands or $60 US. You understand? You can operate with us. We give broker recommendations on this free channel. It's broker recommendations. We talk about our trading experiences, our vlogs and stuff like that, and we share our trading results there, as well as we do give us some signals sometimes. As you can see, there was a signal that was sent on the 10th of February and another one that was sent on the 8th of February. You understand? We're almost reaching 6,000 subscribers, so you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna extend this offer for signals and mentorship for the rest of this week. Go and operate now, feel me? Let's go back to the charts now. So wherever, you know, we're going to analyze NAS 100. If it's not NAS 100, I don't know what we're doing with it. So we had our downtrend. Our downtrend started basically there. Yeah, I'm going to put this there. So our downtrend started from there. This is the highest that the market reached, you understand, before eventually starting to operate in this way, which is a downtrend. We have a series of lower highs and lower lows. This is like a very basic, it's lower highs in the building. Okay, let's make it black. So it's lower highs here. As you can see, there's a high, we have a high, we have a high, and we have a high still. And then we have lower lows. So that's a very obvious downtrend in it. So the lows are getting lower, the highs are getting higher, you understand? So sharp, this is our pattern. But now I wanna explain the analysis that I have going on. So we're gonna go from weekly to H4. We're gonna go from weekly to daily. We skipped a time frame. We can't just go to H4. Yeah, so I'm gonna explain all the structures that are happening here. But first, let me remove this one. Let's remove this one. Alright, let's remove this one in the building. So this was the overall trend line that was going on. It was a very stable trend line. It was a very nice way of dropping. If you're selling more than you're buying, you're gonna make money in this one, depending on where you enter, of course. So the market reached a low, which is this one that you're seeing here. This is our low, right? Operating on the daily time frame, this one is a little bit higher, but this one is still, so far, is the lowest one, you understand? So you know, you must look at levels. You can't just operate anyhow that you want in the game of markets. If you don't know about levels, the market is going to be very hard for you to operate, right? And I have a video on levels, so you might have to keep up with my channel and my previous uploads. So there's this level also, which is a very powerful level. I'll explain. We have our first touch, second touch, a breakout and retest, third touch, right? You can even say third touch, fourth touch, whatever. Another touch, number 5 touch, right? We basically retested again, another retest, which is kind of forming a head and shoulders. If you really look at it as a left shoulder there and a right shoulder, and then the head, and then break out the neckline, meaning the neckline is here, break out to the lower, you understand? And then from there, the head and shoulders is from here to there, to head, to another shoulder. So our neckline is here, you understand? Yeah, but I'm done drawing, man. Come on. Sharp. So this video might be longer than I expected, because I always want to go in depth. I don't want to give you half-ass explanations, you understand? So we came to retest the neckline of the thing, which is also a level, which is confluence, if you think of it. break down to the downside. We came to this lower level now, which the market in 10 what 1 2 3 touches, but we came to retest this structure 1 2 3 times, 3 more times, came to retest it again here. Now the market looks like we're coming back to retest it. Am I saying it right? To retest it again. Yeah. So there is a structure also. If you are talking about the structure, we can operate a structure like this. How do we operate this one to get the proper line that we want? You understand? Yeah. So there's this line also, this one, and then there is also this line. You understand what I'm saying? So as far as this one goes, we already broke out of it, so we can just allow it like this. Yeah, we can just allow it, move it till there, because there's no way it's helping us. We have more chances making money following these structures. You understand? So now we're gonna trade it in between these two trend lines and also between these two levels. Well, for now it's only this level because we're so far away from this level, but this is a level we shouldn't take for granted, as the price can quickly go back, and you can see why it's important if the market makes its way back to the area. So we can go to H4. Maybe we're gonna find something on the H4. Also, man, leave a like. But I don't really want to do microstructure stock. I don't want to do like small structures within structures. You're gonna always find structures within structures and stuff like that. That's just a time waster. As long as, guys, you understand the major concept of how we are, as long as if you can just know the main direction of the market in the daily time frame, you are fine with how the market is gonna go. I'm gonna send these analysis to the public Telegram. I'm gonna send them, and I'm gonna remind you of the Signals of Mentorship package on Telegram. Those who wanna join, we're gonna open it for 1 more week for all the YouTube subscribers who wanna join in too. You understand what I'm saying? So yeah, man, it's a boy Vussy Max back in the building. I haven't done an analysis in a while with y'all, for me, so I wanted to do one for the sake of the channel and you guys and me together. So like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.